In this video, I'll be explaining about different types of structures. So, one is masonry structures. So, masonry structures are the ones that are made up of stones or bricks, blocks. Okay, those are masonry structures. That means beam, column, walls. Every structural members are made up of masonry. That is stone or bricks. Next is the frame buildings. Okay, frame buildings are the ones in which the load is transferred through beam and column. Okay, so the frame building can be reinforced concrete, and in case of steel frame building, it is made up of steel only. Okay, like I section, L section, whereas reinforced concrete means it is made of concrete, and because concrete is weak in tension and it is a brittle member, so we provide steel, which is called as reinforcement in the concrete structure. So the beams and columns are made up of reinforced concrete in case of RC frame building, and steel structure, it's only made up of steel. Okay, the beams and columns. Next, we have shear walls. So in case of frame building, what happens is the walls, because these are openings after beam and columns, so the walls or the openings are filled with the blocks or bricks. So we say those walls as infill walls, okay, because they are non-load bearing. In design, they don't consider its design. They don't consider them as load bearing. Whereas in case of shear wall system, what happens is the whole wall is reinforced. So RC shear wall, we say it's reinforced concrete wall. So there is reinforcement in the wall. So the wall takes the load and transfer to the below floor. Whereas in case of beam column system, it's the load is from slab. The load is transferred to the beam, beam to column, column to the foundation, then to the soil. Okay, so what is beam? Is the vertical structural member. Okay, so you have the pillars, which we usually use the term generally, but in civil engineering we say as column, and then the beam rests on two columns is the beam or primary beam we say, and if there is a beam that connects between the two beams, that is called as secondary beams. Slab is the floor or the roof we say, so we say as slab, we use the term slab, and footing or the foundation is below the earth, okay, below ground, and then from the footing the load is transferred to the soil. Thank you.